Okay, I'm heading on a fishing trip today. As you can see, that is my glorious crab fishing boat. Whoever the crap that is over there. Anyways, we're gonna head on down and let's check this guy out. That's the plane hangar. This is Stormworks, by the way. I know my mic quality is horrible because I don't have a mic. The only microphone I'm using is the one on my gaming computer. Laptop. Uh-oh. I seem to have failed the jump. Anyways, yeah. There's quite a bunch of stuff to do in this game, which I love. I love these creative games like this. As you can hear, I've already started this thing up, basically. Hop up into the bridge here. And yeah. We just hit full speed. Full send it. Okay, that was really close. That was much closer than I wanted. So we're gonna do quite a bit of fishing today. And what better place to do it than on the shore? Ooh, wait, there's fishing rods? Give me that. He's just floating on the wind. Okay. Let's figure this out. So, this is where we're stopping. Uh-oh. Oh well. This isn't the actual exit. I'm just lazy. Jump on out. So how this works, you see these little guys here? You put them up on this trough here. Trolley thing. So you forgot which one is which. Okay, you grab this. You, Which crane is this? It's that crane. So, oh, I see. Go. Now I just need to turn on the connector. Got it. Perfect. And you just... Come on. Get out. Get out. Get out. Oh no, please don't bounce up and hit me. That would be unfortunate. Get out. I almost got you. Get out of there. Yeah. Get up here. See slowly, and then you release it. Please don't fall over. Thank you. Now, next you go over to one of your pots, one of your fishing pots, crab pots. You go down. It's really just called a lobster pot, but yeah. You pull that out. Pull that guy out. I think you usually pull that. I think you usually pull out the pot first. And then, I'm pretty sure you usually pull out the pot first, and then you pull out. Okay. I just need a. What the? Whatever. I'll go overboard anyways. Okay. Space. Ooh, broken? Not broken. Let's go. Okay, now we've got to attach the thing to the winch. Actually, I don't think I need to put it on the winch. Unless, yeah, this thing already has a winch on it. So I'm gonna have to steal one of these. Gonna have to steal one of these cables. Oh, it's a rope anchor. I think I'm supposed to use a... Yeah, actually, yeah, I think I'm supposed to use rope. not cable. Well, all I have is cable. Whatever. It won't really matter. It all works the same. Okay, now we just gotta get you. Now we overboard it. Uh-oh! Okay, we're gonna need a little bit of assistance from this thing. There we go. Now we can flip it overboard. Yay! Now you just jump into the water with it and realize that it sank all the way down to the bottom of the ocean. Uh-oh. Okay, where's this thing? Where's the button? There it is, there it is, there it is. Hit it, hit it. No! Yeah! Got it. Okay. That was really hard. Oh, let me in. I'm in. I'm surprised. See? Just like that. Then you wait. And wait. Okay, we're back. Don't worry about that sound. Oh, it's raining. Okay, this is a little bit scarier than I thought it would be if it started raining. I don't like this. So, I think we got a little bit of fishing done. So what we do after that, grab your good old crane, and you gotta whip that boy out somehow. Yeah, like that, like that, like that. Do that. Okay. Now you hop in the water. I know it doesn't sound like a good idea when it's raining, but it's okay. And then you just force it on there. Yes! And then you deactivate. Okay. Just whee! You cheat your way up. Just gotta wait. Ooh! Do we even have anything? Oh, we have a little guy in there. Okay. Gonna pull this little boy up. Push that over. Now we just pull him in. Ooh, okay. Perfect. Now you just see that. That's a big freaking wave. That's a big freaking wave. Give me all the crabs. I can't lose them. Oh my gosh, that's so scary. Oh, let me the frick up. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die because this. I'm leaving the other one. I don't care. I'm leaving the other one. We're at full speed. Wing it. Full speed it. Oh my gosh. Go! Oh my gosh, it's not working. Oh my gosh, it's not working. Oh my gosh, it's not working. I got my crabs. Coconut. No! My lobster! My lobster pot! Dude, you know what? I'm turning and facing this thing. I'm turning and facing it. We're turning and facing it. Oh my gosh. We're bracing. We're bracing. We're bracing. We're bracing. We're bracing. This is how you brace. This is actually how you brace. Brace for the wave. Oh my gosh. No, that does not work. Oh, hold on, little crab. Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm confident. Yeah, this is a good idea. Y'all like this idea? Oh, that's a way bigger wave than I thought it would be. I am alive. Get in. Shut. Oh, I left the bottom door open. Oh, we're dead. 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 No! Did I lose the pot? I didn't lose the pot. Oh my gosh, the pots are falling. Hey, my lobster pot's still alive. Dude. Flash your light at it. Flash your light at it. You piece of crap. I'm surprised I survived that. Let's see how the bottom floors are doing. Man, this is so disorientating. How are the bottom floors doing? Okay, that's fine. We seem to have a big problem with the lobster pots. Just a little bit of a problem. We can do it. Yeah, we can go back. Uh-oh. That was quick. Okay. Guess we go full speed. We're heading back to shore. Don't mind what I'm doing. I'll just leave that lobster pot down there for a while. Just don't mind what I'm doing. I'm not doing anything. Okay, where is it? I see it. It's right in my sight. Hit that little crap. I mean, what? What am I gonna do? I'm not gonna hit that. I would never. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Oh, we're heading straight to the shore. Don't worry, we'll get rid of the evidence. How the frick is there a fire? That part didn't even hit us. Oh, I've got to stop. I've got to stop. How is there a fire? That makes no sense. Let me out. How is there a freaking fire? I don't even know what happened. I'm too lazy. Oh my gosh, we are tipping like crazy. I think that tsunami did something to us. I made it out with my 4 crabs. Why can't I take out certain crabs? I can't take out a coconut crab or a horseshoe crab. As if you say take out both hands. Oh well. Yeah, don't worry about me. I'm going full speed into the thing. Oh my gosh. Okay. Just power down. It's bobbing up and down. I don't think it really liked that. Oh my gosh, we are leaning. Help. Well, that was successful. That's not bad at all. This is chunk change. That doesn't cost anything. It's just chunk change. It's chunk change. I just need to pump out another video. Anyways, thanks for watching, I guess. That was kind of uneventful. I'm just gonna make myself dinner.